Francine is the leader in the French flower market since 1965. When the time comes to prepare food, it's rather logical that we seek inspiration. So the kitchen seemed the ideal place to address our target, but how to respond to this demand for inspiration? Until now, no media was able to fulfill all these conditions. With 19 million French people listening to it in their kitchens during mealtimes, radio was the one that came closest. Other interesting numbers: 42% of the French use their iPads in the kitchen and 75% use their smartphones. That's how we came to produce the first Shazamable radio spots.
Shazam the following spot and let yourself be inspired. Francine just offered you the recipe for the gourmet apple tart. To discover other recipes, get ready to Shazam our other Francine spots. Francine, the best flour since 1965.